A very good evening to you. This is your Financial Week. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Consumers can breathe a sigh of relief after the Privy Council yesterday rejected the Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS's claim that it should be allowed to add billions of dollars to electricity bills. The JPS sought to add the charge to recover monies paid to employees in a reclassification.
2 years ago, the JPS took a case to the London-based Privy Council seeking to get approval to recover over $4 billion from customers. That after the Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR, and the local courts denied its application to recover the money through the Z factor. The case started after the JPS agreed with the National Workers Union in 2008 to reclassify workers, resulting in a bill of more than $4 billion. Then, in March 2009, the JPS attempted to recover the money from customers by filing a Z-factor submission with the OUR, but the OUR dismissed the claim. The JPS then went to court in Jamaica and its claim was rejected there as well. It then took the case to the Privy Council. Now, after hearing the arguments last month, the board of the Privy Council ruled just yesterday that it agreed with the Court of Appeal in rejecting JPS's challenge. For the Financial Week, I am Dashan Hendricks.
And more good news for consumers this evening after the Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR, has suspended its inquiry into Digicel's decision to implement a prepaid maintenance fee after the company said it halted the charge. Digicel informed the OUR of the development on Thursday, saying the charge has been halted indefinitely. It implemented a fee of $15 on June 22 on its prepaid customers whose monthly spend is less than $50. Digicel said the charge was implemented to ensure that all customers on the network contribute to its maintenance. Digicel last Friday refunded the charge after acknowledging its customers were not properly informed. It now says if any decision is made in the future to resume charging, it will be preceded by proper notification to both the OUR and its customers. Grace Kennedy announced it has reached an agreement to acquire distribution company Consumer Brands. The company made the announcement today, saying the deal is expected to be finalized before the end of September. Consumer Brands distributes the Procter & Gamble line, including Charmin, Bounty, Ariel, Downy, Tide, Always, and Tampax. It also distributes for 10 other local and international companies with sales of over $2 billion annually. The US dollar resumed its losses against the Jamaican dollar after a brief respite yesterday. At the end of trading today, the US dollar was being sold for $128.42, down 3 cents in trading. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $99.78. The pound sterling costs $165.18, while the euro is going for $148.09. The price of oil fell by $1.29 to settle at $44.23 a barrel today. That was the lowest finish since June 26. And stocks ended mostly lower today, pushing the main JC market index down more than 4,744 points, while the junior market index lost 68 points. The winners of the day included JMB's 7.5% preference shares, Kingston Properties, Main Event Entertainment, NCB Financial Group, and Sagicor Real Estate X Fund. On the losing end were 1834 Investments, Berger Paints, Cargo Handlers, Grace Kennedy, the JMB Group, Port and JSX, Scotia Group, and Supreme Ventures. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Have a great weekend.